Hello everyone and welcome to my apartment. So here you can see we are at the front door, and as you walk in, you walk into this amazing loft. It has really awesome exposed brick, high ceilings, and they're wood ceilings. They're so cool. So this is our big open living room. We plan on having 2 couches here with a really big dining room table. It's gonna look awesome. We have carpet floors, but we plan on getting some big, nice area rugs for the space. Super excited. I'm obsessed with the view. So we have a river view. It's so pretty. We have west-facing windows, so we're gonna get the sunset. It's gonna be everything, and it's so bright with these huge windows. You don't even need west-facing windows to have an awesome view. And yeah, so this is the living room. As you look over here, we have this breakfast nook area. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna put in here because we plan on having the dining room table out in the main space, but we can do something fun with this area. And a cool feature is we have this little open window leading to the kitchen, which makes it just feel more open. You can sit here while someone's cooking, it can be a fun little time. So moving into the kitchen, we have all of this storage space for our food. One little side note, this closet in the photos looked like a closet, but it's actually not a closet. It is a ½ a foot wide. So I don't know what we're gonna put in here, but that's fine. So we'll keep that closed and we'll make something fun of it. And now where Lauren is the kitchen. We'll do a little swap. The kitchen is really nice countertops. We have a garbage disposal. I don't know if that seemed like a great feature to me.
You have to show them how the cabinets close.
How do the cabinets close? Soft.
Can't even hear it.
It's amazing. Soft close, no hurting your fingers.
Won't even know someone's awake.
No, a little midnight snack.
Here, I'm gonna get you through here.
Okay. Oh, hi everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. We make you a little something. We got this fun little gift bag.
Complimentary
of
the sweet cooking in the kitchen stir fry.
It's
perfect for
It's so cute.
It's a TV.
Yeah.
Welcome to her crib.
All right, let's move on. So, as you can see, the front door is right here, but if you walk through this way, this is Lauren. My roommate's name is Lauren. It's a little confusing, but this is her bedroom. And so our rooms are actually on top of each other, so we share a big window, but they're actually not connected, but we kind of share this one window, so we have the same exact view. I'm just above her. She has really cool wood ceilings, huge closets, I forgot. We already put something in there.
So it's not an empty apartment to expose.
Yeah, we already put a chair in here, but huge closets, super nice. And yeah, the rooms are really big too. Really good size, and we're excited to decorate. All right, and then this is Lauren's bathroom, or just the downstairs bathroom, but off of Lauren's room. Just your basic, cute little bathroom. They left a little note for her.
That's so nice.
And yeah, bathrooms are nice. They have nice tile, and they have the wood ceilings as well, which is really cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the bathroom. And now let's move upstairs. This is where my room is and where the loft is. And then here's my bathroom, which is the same as Lauren's. Just your basic bathroom, cute tile, wood ceilings. We love it. And then here's my room. So like I said, it's the same exact size as Lauren's. It's just right above hers. Unfortunately, mine has the water heater. Did you see this?
Yeah, I did, and I thought it was weird they didn't put that online.
I know. I have this big honking thing, but if I don't have enough room for my clothes, the closet in the loft is huge. So I can put some of my clothes in the loft closet if I have to. I have a lot of clothes, so I might have to. I thought this was really cool, this little feature. This is in the living room as well, but cute little brick arc. And then I have the river view as well. And it's so fun. So cute. So, coming through here, this is the big loft space, and we plan on turning this into a photo studio or a little photo shoot area. We're so excited. Lauren does Depop. We both love TikTok, photos, all that. So yeah, it's cool. You have an overview of the whole living area, and then if you turn this way, we have this beam and a huge space. Like literally, like you can just do whatever you want. And a huge closet that is not only here, but it keeps going. It just keeps going. I can't believe it's so big.
Yeah, like
You could sleep in there.
guest room.
Yeah, guest room. So yeah, this is the loft. I'm very excited for this space. We already got our crossbar for the photo seamless thing, and it's gonna be so good. So let's go back down. Look at this fun little moment.
Oh, this is good. Cute.
All right, so we're back down in the living room, and that is pretty much it for this apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really excited to do a whole makeover series on my channel. So if you're new to my channel and you want to see me make over my whole entire apartment, make sure you subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let's go outside. Bye. Time for you to leave.